of 700 apartments. No?
700.
Yeah. No, yeah, six. Uh,
माझे नाव मोनिको फर्नांडीस आणि तुम्ही आता पळयलां ह्या व्हिडिओर की कितली वर्सां जाली हे हायलँड बिचाचो गार्बेज सगळी आनी हिंगा सुवेज ह्या व्हाळान सोडटा आनी हांगासर लोक रावता रेजिडंट्स लोक रावता आनी तो लोक सगळो सफर जाता. तर हे आमच्या पंच मेंबरान हे सगळें पळोवन गेला आसतना पासून हे हांगासरले कांयच काडूंक ना. ओके म्हणटकूच हेचेर आतां कोण दकाव घेतलो हें कोण पळयतलो. हांगा लोकांक डेंग्यू आमी बोब मारता डेंग्यू पडला म्हणून तर हें आतां फुडें कितें जातलें लोकांच्या हांगासरल्या तर हेचेर आमी आतां तुमी पण लक्ष घेवंक जाय कित्याक हे वचले जे जाग्यार लोक रावता थंय हें कोंताक येयना. ओके ही गार्बेज हांगासर डांप केलेली आहा ह्या व्हावान वयता आनी हो बाबडो आमचो गोंयकार हांगासर रावता आनी ताका सदांच हो वास डेली तो सांगे सकाळीं वास म्हणटा आपणाक येता कितें तर आपणाक म्हणटा तो हेल्प करात. तर जेन्ना आमी डोर टू डोर कोत्ताले तेन्ना ताच्या घरान पावले आनी ताका आमी म्हटलें आमी आतां हे हायलायट करुया आनी उरलेलें कितें पळय तें कितले म्हयने जाले तूं हांगा सफर जाताय पळय तो आतां तूं सांग. तर एडर प्लीज.
This was formerly a sewage treatment plant for a complex of 700 apartments. Today it's become the dumping ground for all the garbage collected from 700 apartments and 2 restaurants is dumped here every day. The trucks collect the dirt every 48 hours. 2 trucks to 3 trucks take the dirt. By that time the stink is so terrible that we cannot bear it anymore. We have to keep our windows and doors closed. If somebody can do something about this, it's time before some kind of disease spreads over in this place.
Which ward this is, uncle? Which ward this is now?
This is Siquara Bar.
And how long you are suffering from this?
Now this is for years. The garbage, they started throwing the garbage here for the last 3 months. They have sold the property where they used to dump the garbage, and now they are dumping the garbage over here.
So everyone can see how the garbage has been dumped here now in the plastic bags. And all smell is so bad that you can't even stand also here. Okay, thank you, sir.